Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to change the navigation menu color or background color in Google Sites. This is the before and this is the after. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, go to sites.google.com and click on the website you want to change its navigation menu color. This is my website in Google Sites, and first select your the navigation menu like this, and click on this navigation settings icon. This new page opens up. Here you should see below mode top or side, you should see another option. In my case, or if you're like me, you don't have it, this means that you need to close this settings window again and go to themes, and instead of this custom theme, go with a theme created by Google. So this time when you click on the settings icon, you will see this option of color. Click on white. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Google Sites for Beginners online course today for free. Inside this online course, you will learn many things including Google Site basics and website setup, pages, navigations and site structure, header, banner and branding customization, design, layout and visual customization, also media, video and interactive content like how to insert a video, an audio, etc. Also how to create forms, maps and embed tools. You can also learn how to add a button in links, buttons and call to actions, social media, footer and page elements, custom codes, tracking and analytics, and at the end, domain, visitors and website growth. To get all of this, plus my other online courses like Google Search Console, Brevo email marketing, Bluehost, Hostinger website builder, and Hostinger email today for free, simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. So this time when you click on the settings icon, you will see this option of color. Click on white or black. Let's pick the white since this section, header section, is black. And now don't forget to hit this publish button. Click on publish again, and let's view my website live. And this is the before and this is the after. And this is how to edit the navigation menu section color in Google Sites. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.